Join us on a breathtaking journey through the bird park, where each unique bird introduces itself. From the vibrant peacock to the tiny Java sparrow, discover their origins, nesting habits, favorite foods, and how they thrive in their natural homes. Dive into the wonder of these incredible birds.
Hello, I am Java, a songbird from Southeast Asia. I breed in spring and early summer, and my eggs hatch in about 12 to 14 days. I love millet seeds, build my nests in dense bushes, and I thrive in gardens and rice fields.
Hi, I'm Coco, a cockatiel from Australia. I breed in spring, and it takes about 18 days for my eggs to hatch. My favorite foods are seeds and fruits. I build nests in tree hollows, and I prefer living in open woodlands.
Greetings, I'm Pipa, a parrot from South America. I breed year-round, and my chicks take about 25 days to hatch. I love nuts and fruits, build my nests in tree canopies, and I enjoy warm tropical forests.
I'm Percy, a peacock from India. My breeding season is during the monsoon, and my eggs hatch in about 28 days. I love grains, and I display my feathers in open grasslands, especially near water.
Hi, I'm Sunny, a canary from the Canary Islands. I sing all year, but I breed in late winter, with chicks hatching in about 13 days. I enjoy fresh greens and seeds, and I thrive in cozy aviary.
I'm Dove, a peaceful bird from Europe. I breed in spring and fall, and my eggs hatch in about 14 days. I prefer seeds, and I build nests in trees or on ledges, often near towns.
Hello! I'm Leela, a lovebird from Africa. I pair up for life and breed in the dry season, with eggs hatching in about 23 days. I love vegetables and fruits, and I nest in hollow trees in savannas.
I'm Buddy, a budgie from Australia. I breed in spring, and my chicks hatch in about 18 days. I love grass seeds, and I make my nests in tree cavities or on ledges.
I'm Kai, a kingfisher from Asia. I breed in the rainy season, and my chicks hatch in about 19 days. I fish by rivers, and I love small fish and insects.
Hi, I'm Fia, a flamingo from Africa. I breed in the wet season, and my eggs take about 30 days to hatch. I love algae.
As our journey through the bird park comes to a close, we are reminded of the beauty and diversity in nature. Each bird, with its own song, home and story, invites us to pause and appreciate the wonders around us. Thank you for soaring with us today.